Hello everyone, I'm Michael T. Chuang and welcome to A Day in My Bobo Life. The Peloton bike app doesn't have Disney Scenic rides, so I've been recording my own videos. I built a Peloton Android app that can load my YouTube workout videos, so that's what I exercise to. I got an iFootage slider a couple months ago, but I haven't really used it, so today I'm going to try to see if I can set it up. It comes in a backpack, and then when you unzip it, there's a lot of stuff, so I'm going to try to set it up. I'm pretty stoked right now because I got it set up. I'm going to work out to the video I made a few days ago, so this should be fun on my Peloton bike. You're welcome to follow along. Every week now I come to shoot some footage for my Peloton bike, so let's start exercising. I'm going to do a scenic walk through DCA. Here is my workout summary for the week. Another 8 vlogs completed. It's a wrap and time to start my MCU marathon again. From my 80th vlog, shout out to my care holders and have a magical day everyone. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel to always stay updated.